Alright guys, well I'm setting up on my second spot here. This morning the birds pitched down the opposite side of the ditch where I was hunting. So I came over to this piece of property and I was actually going to be checking a piece out for beavers for nuisance trapping. But I have permission to turkey out here, so I went ahead and struck the box call. And it sounded like there was 2 or 3 that hammered. Might have just heard a hen. Anyways, I got set up here and called, and they were hammering, and they were coming in. I could hear them spit drumming. I could never actually see them. Then a hen fired off, and I might have just heard her again, but a hen fired off, and then they basically shut up shortly after that, and I think they just end up following her. I was hoping she was going to come on up here as well, but she has not yet. I think they're on the other side of the ditch here as well, but it's not a very, very deep ditch, so I was hoping they were just going to cross it, but it is what it is. It's snowing right now. It's April 22nd. And it is snowing. Snowing, 35 degrees. And windy. Perfect turkey season. Perfect day to hunt turkeys. But I think I'm just going to kind of be patient right here. Maybe they'll break away from that hen and come on up here. I don't know. We'll hope they do. Alright guys, so turkeys are just not being very nice to me. They're just not coming into my calling. Maybe I just need to practice a little more and get a little better at it, but just decided to kind of walk around and do a little shed hunting, guys, and look what we got here. The first horn, well, actually this is the 3rd horn of the year. And check this out, right up there. Got another one. Let's see if it's a matching. Nope, same side. Same side. But another good one though. Another nice solid deer. I'm just gonna be kind of going through here, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of calling. I'll probably wait until I get up here about 100 yards. I'm just gonna walk through here and see if I find any more horns, and then call when I get up here and see if we can get lucky and strike one of these gobblers. They were right over here, and they end up coming back up this way. So I let them get out and around. I'm hoping I'm gonna cut them off up here. So cross our fingers and hopefully we get lucky. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. What a shot. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe that worked. Yeah. Oh, I'm hunting with the bow, guys. I'm just sitting on the ground. I got right up against this tree right here, between this tree and where I knew the bird was gonna be coming. I thought he was gonna go down in the ditch and cross over because I got my decoy right up here. But he started coming this way, and if he would have kept going straight, I mean, there's nowhere where he could have crossed and came back up through here. So I had to take the shot when I had. It was about 40 yards, guys. I got lucky, guys. I kind of took a guess at the yardage, and I guessed right because he didn't go anywhere. He's dead right up there, guys. Heck yes. Let's go. Gosh, that was awesome. It's freaking snowing out. Oh, that's awesome. All right, well now I gotta go down this stupid ditch again. My camera died by the time I got up to that bird, so we're gonna do this all over again, guys. Oh goodness. Whew. Okay. All right. Great bird, guys. I drilled him about 40-45 yards. I tried shooting right up in him. There's the exit right there. It's absolutely perfect shot for what it was. I do not like shooting that far away, but I've been practicing, so I'm comfortable with the shot. Got about inch long spurs, maybe a bump bigger. Let's see what we got here. Let's say 9-inch beard. We'll measure it when we get home. But all right, heck yeah, beautiful bird, guys. Beautiful bird. Let's see. Guess how much he weighs here. Say around that 25. Say around that 25 pounds. All right. Holy crap. Ah. Oh. All right, guys, so this is looking directly like I'm facing towards the camera. I was sitting right here, guys, right tucked behind this tree. Camera's pretty much wide open. I threw that brown bag, well, tan bag, over the top. Had my decoy basically right where the dead turkey is. And the bird was coming right through here, guys. You see, it's really thick through there. He worked all the way around, and then he come up over this ridge, and he stopped right there, and he would not cross over. And I had zero cover. All I had in between me and that turkey was this tree. So I was just hunkered in. Basically, I was just hunkered in like this, guys. And I had my camera. I had my camera kind of spun right here, and I was using the lens
to watch the bird because I couldn't actually see him with my eyes. And then I could see him walking this way. So I just kind of spun the camera a little bit, hoping and praying that he was on him. And then I just kind of leaned back and he was walking through there, and he walked right up that little ridge, right where that deadfall is. And it's about 40-45 yards roughly. And I let one fly and I smoked him, guys. But it just goes to say how hard it is to actually, and guys, I'm wearing black. I don't even have a camo coat on because ideally with a bow I'm always hunting out of a ground blind, so it's hard to do it, you know, killing a turkey on the ground with a bow with no cover, let alone with a camera, not camoed up. Not ideal. I mean, like I said, I didn't bring my ground blind with me when I was shed hunting. I was just more like, this probably isn't gonna happen, so I didn't bring it. And usually when you plan on that, that's usually when things happen. Because I could have, that bird would have never seen me with that ground blind setting up in here, and I could have set up, you know, basically anywhere right here, and that would have been a lot easier shot right over there. But got the job done. That's all that matters. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that real quick before we go and we talk about the hunt a little bit more and how the whole morning went. So all right, guys, I'm pretty pumped up. Let's go talk about this bird over here. All right, guys, well, we had a pretty crazy morning this morning. Weather not ideal for turkey hunting. I think it was 30 degrees this morning, blowing hard. Then warmed up to about 35, started spitting snow. And when this turkey come in, actually, it was spitting snow pretty good. And it's actually a really cool picture. It's something that I won't be able to probably really show in the footage. It's just something that you gotta just take in at the moment and just enjoy it and just remember it. And it's something I won't forget. It's stuff like that. But this morning, slow. Birds pitched down on the opposite side of the ditch. They worked way away from me. So I packed up. I ended up going to another property. The farmer's needing me to trap some beavers for him, and but I can also turkey hunt over here. So went ahead and fired up the old box call by Middle Mountain Custom Calls, Derek Teresa. That call is phenomenal. Unfortunately, I didn't get to finish this bird with that box call just because of my location of how I was setting up, and not ideal to use a box call in that situation. But it did strike this bird up and was able to let me get, you know, put me on this bird. But anyway, so I got set up and this bird was working in with some other toms. A hen fired off and the birds basically walked away with the other hen. So I started shed hunting a little bit, found some horns, and then went ahead and walked on back further in here and yelped a little bit. I didn't bring my ground blind with me, and sure enough, this guy fired up, and the box call is what got him in here, but I finished him off with the mouth call, and I'm not very good at the mouth call. And I did a little bit of slate call right there when he was hung up about 100 yards. I hit the slate call just a little bit, but yeah, I basically finished him with the mouth call. But absolutely awesome morning. I've heard of a lot of people around our area that's tagged out this morning. Well, not tagged out, but shot a bird this morning. So it's good to hear. I feel like our numbers are coming back slowly but surely. But again, what an awesome morning. I just heard a gobble. I'm pretty sure I just heard a gobble. But tomorrow morning, I'm hoping that my wife will want to get out of bed and go hunting with me. And I'd like to get her on her first tom. She's killed a Jake, but she has yet to kill a tom. So I'd really like to get her on a tom tomorrow morning. So hopefully she'll get her butt out of the bed. But all right, guys, less talking, mo hunting. We'll have more videos coming at you. Roper, look, turkey. Come here. The turkey. Come here. Roper. Hey, turkey.
Can I stop on him? Yep.
Hey, turkey. Hey, turkey.
I want to stop on him.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah. What do you think, sissy? You want to pet him? See how soft his feathers are. Roper likes him, don't you? See how look at all the colors. See all the colors on him? Get some green. Look at this. Look at his beard. Look at his beard. Look at that. What do you think, sis? You want to shoot one day? What do you think, buddy? You want to shoot one? You want to shoot one next year, sissy? Huh?
I have my pink one.
Yeah, we gotta start shooting your gun, don't we? We gotta start practicing now, don't we? All right, we're gonna get some pictures with the kiddos.